Example 2 tells us to find the missing sides and angles given. Angle A is 40 degrees, angle C is 22.5 degrees, and side B is 12 feet. So I'm going to set this up like I did in example 1. I know I'm going to be looking for all 3 angles, and I'm going to be looking for all 3 sides. I'm going to fill in what they gave me. And so I know that once I have filled in this box, I am finished. Now, if you need to draw it, you can. Remember, it's not going to be drawn to scale. So side B is 12 feet, angle C is 22.5 degrees, and angle A was 40 degrees. And so we just need to finish solving this. So what do we want to find first? Alright, you want to find angle B. So just like before, angle B is going to be 180 minus my other 2 angles added together. And so when I do that, I get 117.5 degrees. So let's go ahead and write that up in our box. Now, in order to use the law of sines, remember we need an angle and the side opposite of it. Do we have that? We do. We know angle B and we know side B. Now granted, we're using something we found, so if our angle B is wrong, all of our other answers are going to be wrong. But we don't have any other option here. It's the only one that we know an angle and the side opposite of it. Okay? Plus, when we find an angle, we're usually pretty good at that, so we're a lot more confident in it, and we didn't round it. Alright, so I'm just going to go in order, so let's go find side A first. So this time I'm not going to write out my formula. I'm just going to say it and fill it in. So I'm going to take sine of angle B, so that's sine of 117.5 degrees, over side B, which is 12, and we're going to set that equal to sine of angle A, which is 40 degrees, over side A, which is what we are after. So let's cross multiply and divide. So A times sine of 117.5 degrees will be equal to 12 times sine of 40 degrees. Remember, you're solving for A, so divide by that sine of 117.5 degrees. And we know that A is approximately, you should get 8.70 feet. And then we're going to go find side C. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to use angle B and side B, and this time I'm going to use sine of angle C. Alright, so we got sine of angle B, which is the 117.5, over side B, which is 12, and that's going to be equal to sine of angle C, which is 22.5 degrees, over side C, which is what we're looking for. So we're going to cross multiply and divide. So it's cross multiply. So C times sine of 117.5 degrees equals 12 times sine of 22.5 degrees. Looking for side C, so we're going to divide by that sine of 117.5 degrees. So this is going to cancel, and we're going to get C is approximately, and we're going to plug this into our calculator. And so when we do that, we should get 5.18 feet. So 5.18 feet. Make sure everything's labeled. All my degree symbols are there. All my feet, my units are there. So I have completed my little table that I created, so I am done with this problem. I have found all the missing parts.